are back kay First, and for today's video, we are here at First Calamba. And sasagutin po natin yung frequently asked question nyo na ano ang difference ni retail housing loan versus developer-assisted loan like kay First. So pag sinabi po kasi nating developer-assisted, ibig sabihin guys, si developer po ang mag-a-apply ng housing loan nyo on your behalf. Kapag retail housing loan po kasi, si buyer ang bahalang mag-apply ng sarili niyang loan. So whether or not pumasa siya kay bangko, hands off na po doon si company. So, mas may advantage po kapag developer assisted dahil number one, sa perspective po ni bangko, okay, in-endorse to sa akin ni developer. So, ibig sabihin, pumasa to sa pre-approval nila. And number two, less hassle na din po sa part ni client as the buyer kasi makakapag-focus siya na ang ipapasa nila is requirements on his part as the buyer. So, yung mga COE, payslips, proof of billing, etc.